Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to take you on a virtual test drive in a 1973 Cadillac Eldorado. Don't know whether to call it a test drive or maybe go on a little boating trip, because this thing is a boat. Really beautiful, and it's original too. It has, I think, around 45,000 miles on it. As I'm doing the walk around here, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so you get updated every time we post one of these videos. And then at the end, go on over to volocars.com, where Jay has a whole write-up on it. We have 100 or so pictures of not only this one, but all the other cars we have for sale, and you get to know the price of this. Absolutely beautiful car. Paint job's not perfect. I'm seeing a little bit of touch up there, but it is pretty loaded. So it has AC, cruise control. Now let's start it up. Starts it up. The antenna, when you turn the radio on, actually starts to go up, and then you can control it. And it goes pretty high in case you have those favorite station in Alaska that you wanted to listen to. So I thought that was pretty cool. The radio does work. Just don't want to get flagged on Facebook for trying to steal people's music. All in all, this thing is comfortable, and it also has the electric seats. So yeah, it's 45,782 miles in this. Like I said, AC. Turn that on. It's already starting to blow cold. This thing is just an awesome gem. So all right, let's take it out on the road. Handles with these. And I did notice bringing it down the parking lot, if you do not have your seatbelt on, it lets you know. Let's see. Drives pretty straight. This is a fun cruiser right here. I was in the Navy for a little under a decade, and I have to tell you, this is the closest I get to go to sailing nowadays, this thing. Turns easy, brakes feel great. I miss these old school Cadillacs. Nowadays it seems like it's almost all for the sportiness of it, kind of looking sleek and that design. But this one, it was just, I don't know, you feel like a boss when you're driving this. And it really is quiet. Now this isn't a race car, but now they got a feel. I will try to get on a little bit, see what kind of power it has. Oh, that's still fun. That has plenty to get up and go. Still sucks you back in the seat a little. You can see the beautiful Cadillac emblem up there. contemplating whether or not you should buy this, I would go ahead and do it, because I'm sure once these pictures and the videos go up, this is going to be a fast seller. So this is a bumpy road, and it just felt smooth, like we're going over the waves. Let's see if we can make this turn. With these, all right. Like I said, this thing has some pickup. Real nice, easy to control. I love the fact that it has the cruise control set up for if you actually are taking this for quite a ride. Well, that was a blast. I really appreciate you coming on this virtual test drive with me. And like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Go ahead, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com, where Jay has a whole write-up for it, all the other pictures for pricing and specs. And make sure to check out Jay's video. He took this up on the turntable for a spin. So as always, I appreciate you.